My name is Osita Chidoka, and I bring you good news from Enugu State, Nigeria. The Lion Business Park is a well-planned greenfield project located in Enugu State, Nigeria, with well-zoning regulations on commercial plots, industrial plots, educational institution, technology hub, and markets. It's a city that is secured, provides you with ample opportunities for 24-hour power, water, and all the infrastructure built to world-class standards. The Lion Business Park is an industrial operational hub that takes advantage of the commercial base located around the southeast and the Nigerian market. Onitsha market is less than 1 hour away from the Lion Business Park. The Aba market is less than 2 hours away from the Lion Business Park. It sits on the old narrow gauge running from Port Harcourt to Maiduguri. It also has access to the 3 seaports in the region: the Calabar Seaport, the One Seaport, and the Port Harcourt Seaport. It sits 30 minutes away from Enugu International Airport